Okay, so today we're gonna make this pop-up effect in Canva with your smartphone. So let's get to it. Yeah, you just go there and you duplicate the page, or you add a new page, either one. Yeah, then it starts. Firstly, I'm gonna put a texture. Yeah, I'm now like, which one should we pick? Let us pick that one. Yeah, you just put it there. It's gonna load. Yeah. So when it loads, you just reduce the transparency or change the color to whatever you want. Depends on your taste, you know. So after that, you now go to there and search for frame, the element tab, yeah, and press circle. Either one. It just depends on your taste. Then search for a man or a woman or a boy. Duplicate it. After duplicating it, you remove the background. I'm using Canva Pro, so yeah, you remove background. If you're not using Canva Pro, you use remove.bg. So we continue. Just put that one aside, make it smaller. The one without the background, yeah, and the one with background, you clip it inside the frame. Watch that now. It's not clip. Just wait. Yeah, clip. Now you reduce that one. It's affecting what we're doing. Now you crop that one. You now put it over it. You now go to the nudge tool on your phone. If you're using laptop, you use the keyboard, the keypad. But if you're using your phone, just do the nudge tool. Yeah, then you can zoom in and just adjust till you get the right fit. Get that? And you can even add a shadow if you want to too. I don't mind that. I was just finding out something, but still it's okay like that. Then now you can just add text that you want, change the colors of the text if it suits you. Just change colors. So you can just change the colors, and yeah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow me for more tips like this. And check out ay.creator on Instagram. I'll like for you to send me a DM.